Well, Steve, a lot of people here enjoying
Yep.
the Easter weekend ahead. It looks like we have some good weather, and then the snowbirds will kind of leave us a little bit.
Generally the 1st of April, or as soon as Easter's done, they head back north, and we welcome you to come back and hope you tune in when you do return and have a great summer. But for those of you who are sticking around, we got some great weather, not only this weekend, but next week too. Here's the look from our Casey Key camp. Look at the great beach weather we had. The surf was not too high, the sun was out with a UV index of 10. You really need the sunscreen this time of year as the sun gets higher in the sky and our days are getting longer day by day, more evening sunshine. We're seeing that as well. We're also a little bit cooler today. The heat of the day has developed a little sea breeze right along the coast, so we're 4 or 5 degrees cooler than normal in coastal areas of Sarasota and Manatee County. Still warm inland. Currently at the airport, the temperature coming in at 75 degrees. The dew point is 60. Because of that southwest sea breeze, the dew point is up. Barometric pressure is high and will stay that way for another day or so. And you can see the result of that high, which is way out to the north of the Bahamas, channeling in strong southeasterly winds. These are popcorn cumulus clouds blowing across the southern part of Florida, as you can see in this incredible GOES-16 satellite image in high resolution. And as a result of those strong winds, we also have cooler temperatures along the Atlantic coast, and there's also a threat of high surf advisory all up along there because of the onshore winds creating surf, which we're not getting over here. Now we have a bad situation brewing in the Midwest as another third day in a row of severe storm possibility from the Storm Prediction Center, this time in East Texas into Louisiana, and Louisiana is under the gun right now. There's a whole string of tornado watches from northern Mississippi, central Mississippi, Louisiana, back to almost Corpus Christi, Texas. And we already had one tornado warning north of Alexandria between there and Monroe. Now another one has popped up, and another one looks like it's just been issued just southeast of Monroe. It's going to be a very stormy night. It's part of a frontal system that is our great hope, our best hope for any rain at all, as it eventually moves over Florida late Friday into Saturday. But right now it's kicking up a big storm in the southern Mississippi Valley and southern plains. Temperatures at Houston 69, 79, so there's the warmth fueling those storms. Back in Memphis at 66 and Chicago currently 49. It's a cool, cloudy night in New York City where it's 51. Now we look ahead and see what our future has in store for us, and indeed that storm-producing front is part of our weather future. But this high pressure is going to be fighting off the advance of the energy from this and drying out the air as it approaches. So let's take a look at what our chance of rain is. As we look for the next couple of days, we stay dry with a few clouds here and there. You can see the high kind of weakening, and look at this. We could have some storms on Friday up in the Panhandle. Some of them could be severe. We'll see about that. But for us, this is as far ahead as our RPM computer model can take us. Let's switch to the European model. Takes us through Friday evening, and then by Saturday morning, everything just kind of dissipates and the front passes. We clear out for Easter Sunday. It looks like Easter Sunday will be nice with maybe some interior showers. Our beach and boating forecast, southerly winds 10 to 15, seas 2 to 4 feet. So it will be gustier tomorrow, but still a great beach day with a beach temperature of 81 degrees. Here's our 7-day outlook, and no big surprises for the next couple of days, including for Passover, which starts at sunset on Friday at 7:47. 20% chance of rain overnight Friday into Saturday. Easter Sunday with clearing will have a high of 80. I wish we had better chances of rain, but at least we got plenty of sun for the holidays. That's our weather, Jacqueline.